suppose your question is suppose your question is 1097 in 0.63 plus 2197.36 minus 2607.24 divided by 3.5 is equal to question mark. I need to find the value of the left hand side, because right hand side only one term is there, that is nothing but question mark, right? That is nothing but question mark. Now see here, sir, same logic I will implement. Same logic. Can I say that first of all, ignore all these decimal points. Whatever is written after decimal, first ignore it. Let us only calculate the whole number part. 1097 plus 2197 minus 2607 is what we need to calculate. And the decimal points are nothing but 0.63 plus 0.36 minus 0.42, right? Minus 0.24 in fact. Now see here, sir, what I will do is 1097, it is not a good number to look out. I will make it as a good number. I will make it as 1100, right? I will make it as 1100. That means I added 3 here. I will make this also as a beautiful number, 2200. I added 3 again. Totally I added 6. That means totally I should subtract 6. Minus 2607 minus 6. Minus 2613. 1100, 2200 is 3300. From 3300, if I subtract 2613, now see here, 3300 minus 2613. Again, I don't want you people to waste your time in simplifying all these things, sir, right? In simplifying all these things, can I say that 33 minus 26 is 700, right? It is 7 followed by 2 zeros. It is equivalent to simplifying it as 700 minus 13, right? I believe that you are able to understand, right? So 700 minus 13 is what I obtained. 33 minus 26 is 7 followed by 2 zeros. It is 713, right? 13 subtracted. 700 minus 13 is what I will get. Always try to get these beautiful numbers. We are actually interested in getting or making the numbers look beautiful. Now keep this as it is. Decimal numbers, if I add 0.36 minus 0.24 is 0.12. Plus 0.63, it is 0.75. Now instead of using point and other things, let us understand like this every time, sir. 0.63 is nothing but 63 paisa. Like that we will learn. 63 paisa. This is 36 paise and this is 24 paise. Now I had 36 paise. I gave back 24 paise. I am left with 12 paise. From 12 paise, I also have 63 paise. Total I have is 75 paise, right? Which is 0.7. That is little bit better in solving fast. So you are left with 700 minus 13 plus 0.75, right? Plus 0.75. It is 700. 13.75 if I subtract, it is 12.25, right? It is 12.25. But this value is nothing but this particular thing. I also have something called as divided by 3.5 in the question. So divided by 3.5 I will do it. Now I already told I don't like 5 to be in the units place. Multiply by 2. Right, multiply by 2. What are you left with, sir? 700 into 2 is 1400. 12.25 into 2 is nothing but 24.5 divided by 3.5 into 2 is 7. 7 into 1, 7 into 200. 7 into 1, 7 into 3.5. From 200, if I remove 3.5, answer is 196.5. There are again so many intermediate steps which you can eliminate actually from this particular question, because I wrote everything only for your explanation purpose. See this question again. See this question. 15% of 524. 15% of 524 minus 2% of 985 minus 2% of 985 plus question mark is equal to 20% of 423, right, is equal to 20 percentage of 423. Now listen carefully, sir. Everyone please listen carefully. Can I say that I don't like 5 to be on the unit digit? If I have 5 on the unit digit, multiply by 2 and the other number divide by 2, or in other words, this number double it, the other number half it. So 15 if I double, it becomes 30% of half of 524 is 262, right? 262. Similarly, 2 percentage of 985. Similarly, I have 5 here. Double it. 985 double is 1970. This half it. 1 percentage of 1970 plus question mark is equal to 20 percentage is 423. I can half this 10 percentage and make this double 846. Now this looks like a very good number to work out with, right? This looks a better number compared to what was given in the question. So what I will do is 10 percentage is 26.2, 30 percentage is 3 into 26.2, 26 into 3 is 78, 0.2 into 3 is 78.6 minus 1 percentage of 197, 1970, 10 percentage is 197, 1 percentage is 19.7 plus question mark, 10 percentage of 846, it is 84.6. Can I say that directly I'll eliminate 0.6 which are in the other sides? Left hand side 0.6 will cancel with right hand side 0.6. Now you are left with question mark is equal to 84 minus 78 is 6. 6 plus 19.7 over answer. It is 25.7. Now Samir, in my previous question, I will write it for both Samir and Reena. Let both of them understand. I wrote it as 1097 plus 2197 minus 2607. This is the whole number part. Decimal number part is 0.63. 0.36 minus 0.24. This is the decimal number part. Now see here, both Samir and Reena, I will clarify both of your doubts within this problem itself. Now I don't like this number. I want to make it a beautiful number. Beautiful number is nothing but I like keeping 100 rupees notes. This is 1097 rupees, but I want 1100 rupees in my pocket. That is much more better. So I will add 3. Similarly, I will add 3 to make it as 2200. When I added 3 plus 3, totally I added 6. Now I have minus 2607. To compensate that addition of 6, I will subtract 6. It becomes minus 2613, right? Minus 2613. Now Reena, it is for you. Now I need not subtract 12 from this because I made that 6 added to subtract 6 so that this equation and this equation both are absolutely the same. Reena, I believe that your doubt is very cleared. Now Samir, what we did is 1100 plus 2200 is 3300. 3300 minus 2613. Can I say it like this, Samir? I am just writing for your understanding. I am doing like this, right? I am doing like this. Now what I did is I subtracted from this positions 33 minus 26. Suppose assume that it is 00, right? Assume that it is 00. 33 minus 26 is 7, right? It is 7. So you will get it as 700 and then the 13 is left out. 700 minus 13 I will do it. Both are absolutely same, right, sir? Reena is clear, I believe. Samir is also clear, I believe. Don't worry, sir. This kind of varieties of problems we will keep taking it. And believe me, I have still not crossed at least minimum 10 questions in this class. There are varieties of questions we will take. These all questions you can solve it by using answer options also, using digital sum, using unit digit, all those concepts which we have already learnt it, right? We will take those varieties of questions also again. Do not worry about it. No, I am not understanding Balvinder Kumar. He told that the question is wrong sometime before. I asked him couple of times, what is the question wrong, sir? He did not reply. Now he is asking sorry. What is that, sir? Okay, this is my wrong. Anyway, no problem, sir. That's okay, not an issue. See here, sir. Next question. Again, a very beautiful question to understand how to distribute things to some of your friends or other things. 29.7 plus 199 plus 588 plus 697 plus 298. I want to find this value and I want to get it so fast. Now everyone listen carefully, sir. Everyone listen carefully. It is not 29.7 here. It is actually given in the question as 297. Right? It is actually given in the question as 297. Very, very easy, sir. I want to make it a beautiful number. 300. Add 1 200. Add 12 600. Add 3 700. Add 2 300. Right? Now if I add all these things, can I say that 300 plus 200 500, 500 plus 600 1100, 1100 plus 700 1800, 1800 plus 300 is 2100. But I added so many extra things. To compensate, I need to subtract. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 12 16, 16 plus 2 19, 19 plus 2 is 21. I added 21, remove the 21. 2079. One classical example to show you that how to distribute things. How to distribute things is what I want to show you from this easy question. How to distribute things is what I want to teach you for you people. See here, another beautiful question which has only multiplications, which you think that it will be a difficult question. 12.5 into 6.7 into 4.2 is equal to question mark. No, I don't like 5 to be in the unit digit. Double this, half this. Similarly, if I do it, it is 25 into 6.7 into 2.1. Both are absolutely same. Now, again think logically, sir. I don't like decimal. I want numbers to be little fancy. I don't like decimal and other things. I want numbers to be little fancy. So, this decimal if I ignore, 67 by 10 it is. 21 by 10 it is. So, if I ignore the decimal, by 10 by 10 it by 100, or in other words it is 0.01 multiplication. That we will see it at the end, sir. Right? We will see it at the end. Can I say that this I can write it as 27 is 3 into 7, 67 into 3. It's a very, very important number which keeps repeating in simplification. 67 into 3 is 201. That means it is 25 into 67 into 3, which is 201 into 7. And this 0.01 I will keep it as it is. Now, how easily you can multiply things, sir? Can I say that? Can I say, I will write like this. Please observe carefully, sir. 25 into 201 I have. Can I write it as 25 into 200? It is 5000. 25 into 1, it is 25 into 7. Multiplied with 0.01. You need not write this 0.01 every time in the paper and waste your time. You can directly write it at the end. Right? Now, it is very, very easy from here. 5 into 7 is 35. It is 35. So, it is 35,000. 25 into 7 is, it is 175. It is 35, 175. After 2 places, I should keep a decimal point. Over answer. Answer is over. And you should definitely do it like this, and you can still eliminate some of the intermediate steps here. I am writing few steps only for your understanding, sir. That does not mean that you should also write all these steps in the examination while solving. Yes, if I am solving this question alone without teaching you people, I will eliminate at least minimum 2 steps in this question. That is exactly what I want you people also to do it, so that your calculations will be very fast, and that will only come by practice. Suppose for example, I have something called as A percentage of B. This I can write it as A divided by 100 into B. This I can also write it as A into B divided by 100. This is A of B percentage. This is B percentage of A. Very, very important key point. A percentage of B can also be written as B percentage of A. A percentage of B can also be written as B percentage of A. Now listen carefully. Listen carefully for this question. A percentage of B can also be written as B percentage of A. Now your question is 16.8 percentage of 705. 16.8 percentage of 705 can also be written as 705 percentage of 16.8. Now again think logically, sir. 705 percentage means 700 percentage of 16.8 plus another 5 percentage of 16.8, that we will see it at the end, right? Now see here, 700 percentage of 16.8 is not a good looking number. Make it as 17 minus 0.2, right? 700 percentage of 17, 700 percentage is nothing but 7, right? 7 into 17 is 119 minus 7 into 0.2 is 1.4, and 5 percentage of 16.8, 10 percentage is 1.68, 5 percentage is 0.84. How easily you can do this, sir? Can I say that this is nothing but, can I say that from 119, 0.84 minus 1.4, if I subtract, finally you will be left with 118.44. This should be my answer. 118.44. Shrikant, you will find it very difficult if you have missed my first class, sir, and I cannot help you. Try to understand as much as possible, or if you are an enrolled student, please watch it again and again. It's already uploaded. Yesterday the class which I took for 3.5 hours is already uploaded in your online portal. Divya, in my previous question, 25 into 201, 201 make it as 200 plus 1 ma. Make always multiples of 100. I want to have 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 300 rupees notes in my pocket. Although 300, 200 notes are not yet released, or whatever it is, I am just telling you, because 25 into 200 is 5000. 25 into 1 is 25. From there you simplify, multiply by 7. 5 into 7 is 35. 35,000. 5 into 25, 7 into 25 is 175, and then you are multiplying with 0.01. That means after 2 places keep a decimal point. A percent of B is equal to B percentage of A. See this question, 415.25 minus 627.10 plus 958.55 is equal to question mark. This is a very easy question, but start simplifying in the way it is, you will find it very difficult. So best thing what to do is, the best thing that can be done is add the decimal point initially. 0.25 minus 0.10 is, it is 0.15. 0.15 minus plus 0.55 is, it is 0.7. Now I got 0.7. What is that I am left out with whole number part? Whole number part is 958 minus 627 minus plus 415. Can I say that? Can I do like this, sir? Think logically. From 900, I will remove 600. I will be left with 300. From 300, I will add 400. I will be left with 700. Right? I will be left with 700. That means 700 is what I got. Right? 700 is what I got. And the remaining things are nothing but 58 and 15. It is nothing but 73. From 73, if I remove 7, it is 67. Again, if I remove 2, it is 47. Right? It is 47. But 47 from that 0.7 is already taken. So I will be left with 46 and with 700. This should be my final answer. Answer is 746.7. 746.7. Even if you subtract the other way also, if it is 58 minus 27 is 31, 31 plus 15 is 46, and whole number part 100's place is 700. Very fast you need to be in calculating these kind of things. Suppose another question, 34,928 minus 2591 minus 14986 minus 14986 is equal to question mark. No, I do not like these numbers. I don't want 2,591 rupees in my pocket. Make it as 2,600. That means I will put minus 9 here. Make it as 15,000. I will put minus 14 here. That means I subtracted 23. Add 23 here. Over answer 34,000. This becomes 951 minus this is 2600. This is 15,000. Right? This is 15,000. Now same logic I will implement. Same logic I will implement. 34,000, if I remove 15,000, I will be left with how much? From 34,000, if I remove 15,000, or I can also do like this, sir. I can also do like this. See here, can I say that forget about 15,000? It is 10,000 and 5,000. 5,000, 2,000. It is 7,000, and you are left with this one extra one, right? You are left with it one extra one. That means 951 minus 600 is 351. So this is 351, and then you are left with 17 and 34,000. 34,000 minus 17,000 is 17,351. I hope the idea is very, very, very clear, sir.